Parametric Sketcher functionality has been improved a lot in recent releases. Along with these upgrades, we've also now improved support for Parametric Sketcher files in Automation Manager. You can now assign and configure fittings from your fittings library. In this example, I've loaded a parametric sketch of a door blank and assigned different fitting types to the datum geometries. One of them is still missing its fitting type. To fix that, choose the correct fitting type and select the fitting you want to use. Then click the datum circle that represents where that fitting should go and confirm the selection. Your fitting type choice will be remembered, so the next time you load this door blank it will automatically recognise that that datum is the handle position, which is great for workflow and for driving automation with CSV files. After that, you can check the preview to make sure everything looks okay. These latest improvements help make parametric automation more accessible.